This video will demonstrate the proper procedure for using the KATO Tangless Removal Tool and Tanged Extraction Tool. Let's begin by reviewing each tool. This is the Tangless Removal Tool. This is the handle, the adjusting sleeve, the lock nut, and the mandrel. The mandrel assembly can be removed from the handle and used in the KATO SB400C or SB650C electric driver. For instructions on how to use the electric driver, please watch the KATO Round Electric Tool video. This is the Tanged Extraction Tool. At this end we have the handle, and at the front, the blade. Please be careful when handling the blade. It can be sharp. We've set up a test block with some coil thread inserts already installed. First we'll demonstrate how to use the Tanged Extraction Tool. Place the tool in the installed insert, and while pressing down firmly, turn the tool counterclockwise, maintaining a downward pressure. It may be necessary to tap the tool with a hammer in order to get the blade to wedge into the insert. Continue turning counterclockwise until the insert is extracted from the hole. Please note, using the Tanged Extraction Tool may cause damage to the surface of the parent material and/or the tapped hole. Now we'll demonstrate how to use the Tangless Removal Tool. Thread the Tangless Removal Tool into the installed insert a few turns. You should feel and hear it click once the pawl reaches the notch. Once that happens, thread the tool out by turning counterclockwise. The insert will simply thread out of the tapped hole without damaging the parent material or the hole. To remove the insert from the tool, simply press the release tab and thread the insert off the mandrel. KATO offers both tangless and tanged removal tools, but as you can see, removing a tangless coil thread insert is faster, easier, non-destructive, and can even be performed with the KATO electric driver. No other removal tool works as well or as fast as the KATO Tangless Removal Tool. Thank you for watching the KATO Removal Tool video.